Here's my favorite thing to do, that is, shaving my face and removing all the hair that hides my beauty, and feeling refreshed post removal of all the dead skin as well as the excess hair. There are a few myths about the facial hair shaving. First, it causes hair to grow back thicker. No, it's a misconception. In fact, a razor cannot change the color, thickness, or growth rate of the hair. I have myself been shaving for past 2 years now, and I am the live example. Second, it makes your skin rough. No, the fact is that shaving exfoliates your skin by removing dead skin cells along with the hair, leaving your skin feel soft and smooth. So you must try shaving now, girls. And with Sirona's shaving kit, that is Sirona's facial hair removal kit, it's a lot much easier and comfortable to do now. So happy shaving, girls!